Hello, my name is Mrs Bird and I am a dance teacher here at the Amethyst Sixth Form. Alongside myself, we also have Mrs McAviney and Miss Gale who teach Sixth Form dance. The course that you will take is a 2-year BTEC Level 3 National Foundation Diploma in Performing Arts Dance. During this course, you will complete 6 units of work, which all consist of both theory and practical elements. In a normal week, you will have 12 hours contact time with us in the Performing Arts department. That consists of 3 double lessons each week. If you would like to choose dance as a sixth form option, we ideally ask that you have studied this at Key Stage 4 level. This would include either a GCSE, a BTEC Level 2 or an RSL Level 2 qualification. In the dance department, we do offer a lot of opportunities for you to perform as well. These include different dance showcases, dance competitions, dance festivals, and also our very exciting trip to Disneyland Paris. We are hopefully going to be taking 35 students from the Amethyst Sixth Form and Aldersley High School to Disneyland Paris in 2022. During this trip, you will get the opportunity to take part in a professional workshop and also perform on a Disneyland Paris stage. Dance can lead to Okay, I'm going to do it. Compose yourself. Dance can lead to many different career pathways and opportunities. This could include teaching, performing, choreographing or directing in the performing arts industry. If you are considering a career in the performing arts, we would love to see you in the Amethyst Sixth Form.